Hi, I want to show you how to restart or turn off your Google Pixel 9a. So first way is to use buttons combination. So you're gonna press power button and volume up button together at the same time, and you will see this power off menu. From here, if you need to turn off your phone, then tap on this option. If restart, so it will turn on itself, then tap that option. The next way how to manage it is to swipe down from top right corner to trigger quick settings. Then swipe down again, and on the bottom you should see this little power button icon. By tapping it, you will trigger power off menu again, in which you can choose to restart or turn off. The third way is to ask Gemini or Google Assistant to turn off or restart your phone. For that, you can press and hold your power button if you set it for Google Assistant, or you can say trigger phrase. Hey Google, restart my phone. Then you will see power off menu again, so once more tap on any option from the list. And now if you need to force restart your phone, for example, the screen is logging and you cannot tap on it, then you need to hold power and volume up buttons together again. But in that case, ignore this power off menu. Continue holding until the screen will be completely turned off, just like this. Then release and wait for the phone to turn back on. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.